Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 11th video lecture of class 6 class 5 English. um, so today we have to solve C2, the question says we have to underline the nouns and pronouns and adjectives too. I solved it on my book, but it got really messy here, so I will be explaining to you on your given worksheets. If you read the paragraph on the page, the nouns will be day, Merlin, wizard, valleys, Wales, Stoneway, London, and man, way, London again, bishops, meeting, abbey, church, church, and church again, stone, stone again, anvil, anvil, and sword. Mark them for put a bubble around them for nouns, and the pronouns will be he. One is used as a person here. Him, he, they, and everyone. Adjectives used in this paragraph are one, deep, green, famous, great, great, and shining. So solve this paragraph on your given book, and you can get help from your given worksheets or even from this video lecture too. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.